Today we're gonna unbox the BumbleB Whoop Pro from Hessel. They sent me this courtesy, so thank you very much. It is Transformers inspired, has the Autobot symbol, or Autobot-like symbol. This one has auto hovering, auto takeoff and landing, headless mode, multi-speed, 360, flips, 6-axis gyro, and it is FPV ready. They also sent me the camera, so it comes as like a regular Whoop ducted quad, and you can attach an FPV camera. Today we're just gonna fly it without the camera, and then we'll come back in the full review. We'll show you with the camera. I'll open up the box with the camera here, then show you though. So, nice packaging. It has the yellow and black, just like Bumblebee. It is the BumbleB Whoop. So let's get in here. Check it out. Okay, it is outside, and then we're greeted by our quad here, and I'm gonna assume this is gonna be our controller. So we also have our instruction manual. Inside here, you got a little, your standard Nano Whoop controller. What else do we have in here? Our bag of goodies. So inside here, we're gonna have our Lipo Battery, full set of props, charging cable, screwdriver, and thumbsticks. There we go. Here's our Whoop. So it comes with 2 batteries. This is a 260 milliamp hour battery. 3 AAAs. Ooh, faked me out. Let me grab those. And also, I'm gonna grab this 220 milliamp hour battery. So we'll give you a little test flight here in the basement. Shia LaBeouf ain't driving this Bumblebee around. It's Chris Walsh. Just do it! Where's Megan Fox when you need her? Megan Fox around?
Oh God, I can't even tell you how much I'm not your little bunny.
Okay, so our speed control is gonna be on the throttle, it looks like. And headless mode's over here, home button's there, trimming, flips, auto takeoff is the forward trim. Okay, we'll go into the camera real quick here. So it's just gonna be your basic FPV camera. It has like a little mount thing in here also. I believe this is extra, this does not come with, you'd have to purchase the camera separately. Pretty standard camera. So this is a smaller battery than it comes with, so may not be the exact flight time, but we probably won't give it a full flight here. So I gave it an up down. I'm not sure if that bounded or not, or if it auto bound. I mean, it's definitely bound, I believe. So let's see what happens when we go up on the throttle. Nothing. Oh, no, it does idle up when you go up on the throttle. So let's go up here. And this is gonna be auto hover, I believe. At least it said it was. So I'm guessing we're in the low right here. Stable little guy. Slow on the yaw. Whoop, come back. So here's the second rate. Yeah, that yaw is a little bit better on the second rate. Whoa, it's right in my face. It is cool looking though. Let's see how close we can get to the camera. Whoop, almost hit the tripod, blowing stuff around. And probably not in total focus there, but you get the idea. Let's move this here and that. Hover's nice, it flies nice. Pretty standard Whoop. Should we flip it? Oh yeah, it flips nice. I think that went out of the camera there. Let's try it one more time. Not bad. Not bad. So let's bring it back over here. Is there another rate? Oh, there is a third rate. Let's see the yaw on the third rate. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Hit the basement pole there. It's quick. So this is gonna be fun to fly, FPV, for sure. So a decent yaw on there. Not super crazy. Is that just 3 rates? Yep. So 3 rates. Wish the yaw was maybe slightly quicker. Am I even getting that in there? Yeah, a little bit. It looks cool though, I gotta give it to him. The BumbleB Whoop here from Hessel. So what happens here? Will this auto land if I hit this button? What about this button? I don't know. I believe it said it had auto land. Check the manual one more time. Seems to be the top throttle button here. Let's try it one more time. Let's try the auto takeoff. I didn't do that the first time. Huh. Oh, there we go. Maybe a long press on the throttle button there. So let's try a long press on the, no. Oh, Yep, there it was. Long press on the top throttle trim, what would normally be like a throttle trim button. So there you go, brief unboxing of the BumbleB Whoop here from Hessel. Thanks to Hessel for sending me this one for review. I'm gonna go out on a little whoop and we're gonna come back here with a full review of the BumbleB Whoop. Stay tuned for that and stay tuned for my other upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. BumbleB Whoop Whoop Whoop.